IVMasters.com, and today we're going to third question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is the harder set of reading questions. Number 3 reads, which choice text most logical phrase? Always read the question first, because you know what questions to expect. The reading and writing will always start with sentence completions. Let's go to the passage. Scholarly discussions of gender in Shakespeare's comedies often celebrate the rebellion of playwright's characters against rigid expectations. Blank by Elizabethan society. Let's translate what that is saying at first. So scholars today, they discuss how gender, difference between men and women, boys and girls, are in Shakespeare's comedies. And Shakespeare's comedies often rebel against what the expectations are for men and women, boys and girls. And I guess that's what makes the humor. And then second says most of the comedies end in marriage, characters returning to socially dictated gender roles after previously defying them, but there are some notable exceptions. So most of the characters in the end, the boys and men do what the boys and men do, the girls and women do what the girls and women typically do. But after they do go against what they usually do. But there's some exceptions to that in these comedies by Shakespeare. So as long as you understand the paragraph, now we're going to go to the answer choices. Answer A, interject means to state, especially as an interruption. So if you're interjecting, someone saying something, you say something. Maybe before you forget, or you say something as an interruption. So rigid expectations interjected by Elizabethan society. No, this is what's constantly in Elizabethan society. It's not an interruption of Elizabethan society. It's wrong. Committed could mean several things. So committed could mean like you're devoted to something. You're with that for the longest time. It could also mean to set aside or pledge for a certain purpose. And it could also mean like you go away to like a mental asylum or something like that. None of those definitions really fit here. Illustrated literally to draw. It could mean to describe so accurately as if you're drawing it. Neither of those definitions fit here either. Now prescribe, this is probably not what you expect the answer to be. Because the context you're most familiar with is prescription. So if something's prescribed by your doctor, when you think about what that really means, it's ordered. He orders you to take a certain medicine. That's really what a prescription is. So rigid expectations ordered by Elizabethan society. That is the best fit here. Answer. Thank you for joining us today. This video, like, you can share it with someone who has difficulty with these sets of questions. If there's any questions you'd like to answer from official leave that in the comment tab. If you want it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1 minute video there below these longer videos. Have a great day.